Hey guys, welcome to another one of my videos. Today I'm doing a Sunday reset, just a little bit of cleaning, organizing, and meal prepping for the week. So first I'm going to start off with some coffee. This is my little version of an iced white chocolate mocha, and I just brewed the coffee. I added some white chocolate sauce, and then I'm stirring everything together, adding oat milk, and then I'm going to froth it so that the texture of the coffee is a little thicker. Then I'm going to drizzle the inside of my cup with caramel sauce. I will show you guys which sauces I use at the end of me making this. And then I'm just going to add in my coffee and some sweet cream foam. I do make my own sweet cream foam and it is so good. So I'll put the recipe down below. And this is just my little treat. I don't have this coffee every day because, as you can see, it's very sugary and really unhealthy. So next, I'm going to get ready for my day. I'm just doing the basics before I go to the store, wash my face, brush my teeth, all that stuff, and doing my hair. And now I'm going to make a quick little breakfast just so I can have energy for the day to do everything I'm about to do. So I just made a really simple like bagel, cream cheese, and raspberry spread, and then some eggs. That's it, and I'm just going to finish making this and eat it and then go to the store. Alright, so now I'm headed to the store to stock up on some essentials, which leads us to today's sponsor, Walmart. I'm so excited for this one because I get everything I need from Walmart simply because they have so many quality products at an affordable price. So thank you, Walmart, for working with me on today's video. I always do my toiletry and grocery shopping here. So today I'm just restocking on the things I need, like body wash, toothpaste, fruits, veggies, laundry essentials, other things. I also placed an online order at Walmart and they sent me some of my favorites. Walmart does offer free 2-day shipping and returns for orders over $35. So I got my items fast, and I also ordered these beautiful organizers from the Home Edit, and I'm going to be doing some organizing to my bathroom cabinets. I ordered my Tree Hut sugar scrub body wash and some cotton rounds. If you guys want to purchase any of these items shown, everything will be linked in the description. So if you get some organizing inspo, be sure to check that out. So y'all, please don't hate me. I don't know where my head was at, but I forgot to get before footage. So yeah, but if you guys saw my fridge organizing, then you kind of have an idea of what it looked like. Just an abundance of products everywhere with no structure. So let's get into it. I'm putting all of my skincare, body care, and toiletries in these containers, and I didn't really have an exact idea of where I wanted everything. I just tried my best to keep similar things in the same container. And these containers can be used and organized so many different ways. I like that the big one has little compartments so you can get the most out of the size, and these smaller containers are perfect for organizing small spaces. So I just put my soaps and wipes in them, and all of these things can be purchased from Walmart in store and online. So just imagine like all these products everywhere instead of organized and compared to this. So this is what my cabinet above my toilet is looking like now. It looks so clean and neat, and I love that the clear containers allow me to see all of my products, and I just think I did a really good job. So after this, I'm going to move on to the cabinet underneath my sink. I used 4 of these bins with the sliding tray at the top, which allows me to store more items in them and makes it easy for me to grab things underneath the tray. I'm storing some hair accessories and some oral hygiene items, and I already had some organizers under my sink, and these still fit perfectly. Like I said, they're the perfect size for smaller spaces because they fit really nice underneath my sink. And guys, my mom didn't help me this time, and I think I did a pretty good job, so let me know what you guys think. I had so much fun using these Walmart finds to organize my cabinet. So again, thank you so much to Walmart for sponsoring this video, and don't forget, you guys can shop any of these items using the links in my description box. Alright, so here's a little cleaning montage. I didn't really go into depth on any of the cleaning in this video. If you guys do want me to ever do a specific type of Sunday reset, I can do that. Like more focused on cleaning or self-care, hair care. I definitely want to do my next one like a pamper routine, because I want to update you guys on my products and everything. But yeah, I'm cleaning my tub. I used Kaboom to get like the dirt and everything, and then after that, to get the chemicals off, I like to use antibacterial dish soap to get rid of any bacteria and the chemicals, because like you stand in the shower and I just think that is like not healthy to be standing on chemicals from cleaning products. So always make sure you go in and do that. And you guys, don't worry, that loofah is just for cleaning. I like to use loofahs to clean the tub because I feel like it just reaches a bigger surface area and it's just quicker and easier to use. So now I'm just setting everything back up. I cleaned up all my products and things that go in my shower, and I'm just replacing them where they go. And I did finish some laundry today. Sunday is the perfect day to do laundry. I'm not showing you guys everything, but I just wanted to show you guys this little towel rolling method that I found on YouTube. You just fold the one corner to the other side, and then you fold it in half, flip it over, and roll it. And it's really easy, and it makes your bathroom look really luxurious and have like a hotel or spa vibe, which I love. And it's just a really simple and easy way to elevate how your bathroom looks. So yeah, I'm just gonna roll up all of my towels like this. Make sure you tuck the ends in as well. Also, I don't remember which video I watched, but if you just type in how to roll your bathroom towels, there's a lot of different ways and tutorials that show you. My hand towels, I did a little different. I kept in that square shape, but I still think they look really put together. But this is how it's looking. I still need to decorate this shelf or these shelves, so stay tuned for that. But these are how my hand towels are looking on my countertop. Everything just looks really cute, and it looks like I put effort into my bathroom, my house, my life. So this week I really wanted to focus on having food to eat that was readily available. So I wanted to prep all of my veggies and fruits and everything, kind of like I did in the last one, but I wanted to make overnight oats this week and a tortilla soup. So I'm just rinsing off all of my fruits that I'm going to be using for my overnight oats, and I'm just starting off making 3 because the fruit does go bad. So if you make too many, it might get rotten before you get a chance to eat it. So I'm using a very basic recipe for the base. I'm just adding oats, oat milk, non-fat Greek yogurt, chia seeds, and I did put some dark chocolate chips in there, and honey and vanilla. So I went OD on the honey. That's just what I do because I have a really strong sweet tooth, and I also hate oatmeal, so I feel like that's the only way to make it taste good, by adding some chocolate, some honey, and stuff like that. But yeah, I just put in bananas, strawberries, blueberries, and I kind of switched it up, so I didn't put like all 3 of those fruits in each one. I just like them very basic, and I topped them off with some almonds and honey. And yeah, it's really simple to do, and it helps you stay on top of your goals. Like if you're on a weight loss or weight gain journey, then it definitely helps you to make sure you eat the correct things in the morning. And then moving on to tortilla soup, I wanted something I could again store in my fridge and have over the next few days of the week. I'm just making or frying my tortilla strips, and I'm going to be making the puree for the soup. Now, if you guys know how to make this and I'm doing it wrong and it looks bad, I'm sorry, but I just followed like a random Google recipe. So yeah, but it turned out really good actually. If you guys like birria tacos, it tastes like the consomme that comes with it. So yeah, and then I just stored them in my mason jars. Very, very cute. They look really cute in your fridge, and you can get these off of the Walmart website, so I will link them down below. It comes with 12 and it's super affordable, so you could just store all your food and everything in them. But the video is coming to an end, so I'm gonna go ahead and start winding down. I'm just putting on a salicylic acid mask, and I'm going to sit down with a book and just chill for the rest of the night. My next video definitely will be more focused towards pamper routine and body care and skincare and things like that. So I hope you guys enjoyed. I love you all so much. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video.